Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is finally an unboxing of the Colored Raine mystery box. I'm very excited. So today I have a mystery box for you. I bought this off Colored Raine's website for $35. It's supposed to have at least $150 worth of value in it. I'm very excited. I love Colored Raine products, like liquid lipsticks and their eyeshadows are both like bomb formulas. And I'm hoping I really like what's in here because like it was $40 with shipping. Even though I saw on their website after the fact, like I checked this morning to make sure they still had some, and apparently if you use like a code on their website, you can get free shipping for over $35. But I didn't know that, so I paid for shipping, and here it is. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright guys, as always, all makeup on this channel is cruelty-free, and so is Colored Raine. So my favorite products from Colored Raine is the Classy Liquid Lipstick, which is on sale on their website for $5. I'm going to keep mentioning it as long as it's $5 because, like, you guys, I love that liquid lipstick color. And my favorite palette from Colored Raine is the Queen of Hearts palette because literally, like, bury me with that palette. It's so beautiful. I don't even want to use it because I'm like, it's too pretty. So let's go ahead and open this box up. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Yay! Ooh, there's a palette in here. Okay, so the first thing on the top here is a pressed eyeshadow. So this is in the shade Brick, which is a brick red kind of shade, obviously. It looks like, you can see it got kind of smushed in here from shipping, but it looks really cute. I like a brick red, not mad at that one. The next thing in here is a highlighter. I've never tried their highlighter before. So this is their Focal Point Glow Lighters by Colored Raine, and this is in the shade Boy Juice? I don't know how to pronounce that word. How do you say that word? It's actually a hard font to read too, so I don't know. Let's open it up and see. I'm excited. I haven't tried their highlighters. Hopefully it's not a super dark shade because I won't be able to wear it. Borgias. I don't know. Cute packaging though. Super cute packaging. I cannot wear that. Well, this is a giant eyeshadow for me now. Holy crap, I can never wear this pressed highlighter. It's very pretty though. Maybe I'll gift it to someone of a darker complexion than me who can actually wear this color. That's a weird highlight color. It's red. And it kind of looks like the brick eyeshadow we got. Okay, so this is the second thing. I wish we had a different color highlighter in here because this is really cute packaging. Maybe I'll order one of their highlighters because I hadn't really thought about it before. Next we have lashes! Lashes, I've never tried Colored Raine's lashes before, but I saw them in Riley Rose that one time. So these are in the style CR15. Oh, they're so natural. I would never wear these. Okay, I guess it's good they put natural lashes in these mystery boxes because more people will probably wear them. For me, I'm like, these lashes today feel super natural and I'm not used to it. But here are the lashes up close. They're very natural, very cute, and like delicate. I feel like if I was doing someone else's makeup who's not used to lashes, these will be perfect for it. But for myself, I need something more dramatic. Like today I broke out Layla from Lily Lashes for the first time in like forever because I had a spare pair. And I really like them. I think they're pretty, but they're so delicate to compare to like what I've been wearing lately that I'm like, Layla, you used to be so dramatic for me. What happened? Alright, so next up in here is a liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Suede, and I believe I know what lipstick color this is because I am on Colored Raine's website way too much. Ooh, it's so weird. I'm gonna swatch this. I'm probably gonna keep this color. So this is Suede. It's like a mustardy weirdness that is such a weird brown. It's kind of like a poopy doopy brown. It's kind of poopy doopy brown because it's like got that yellowy tone to the brownness to it. It's kind of like poop, but I also kind of love it. So I'm going to definitely wear this color soon. I'm going to whiten my teeth a bunch and then I'm going to wear brown lipsticks for the fall. I'm going to do it. I'm not just going to wear this color all the time. But this is Suede and I think it's pretty. Also on the weird end of things too. So I feel like this is kind of a box of weird items, like really natural lashes, a red highlighter, a generic kind of brick red shade, a weird lipstick. And now we have a sticky lipstick, which it might be melted. I don't know. It's hot in Florida. So this is Affluence. I believe this is the same shade that Just Ann got in her mystery box unboxing. I watched her unboxing. I wanted to see if we got the same things. But I believe she got Affluence too. Ah! This packaging is so pretty. Oh my god, Colored Raine, you're so beautiful. This is a deep red. There's like a pattern on it of like scales or something. So this is Affluence. I'm hoping you can see like the little pattern on the lipstick. I don't know if it's, I don't know. But it's a very deep, dark, vampy red. Very pretty. I'm not going to swatch it because I probably won't wear this color. I don't wear stick lipsticks. But I'm sure someone who loves stick lipsticks would love to have like a deep, vampy color. So I'm not mad about this. I feel like there's a lot of dark red in here. Everything except the lipstick so far is like a dark red. And then the last thing in here. Oh no, we got another thing here. This is cute. So we got some little eyelash applicators, some little like flat tweezers for putting on lashes. I'm going to use these because I've never used these before. I use my fingers for my lashes. People always ask me like how to apply lashes. I just use my fingers. I'm kind of scared of like putting tools in like tweezers up to my eye. I feel like it's terrifying. But I'm going to try these because I've never tried them before. The last thing in here is a little palette, which is another burnt red kind of thing. And then the lipstick kind of goes with this too. So like, I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be color schemed. This is the Beauty Rust palette. Very cute. I remember these palettes were on sale for a while. I think this is so pretty. Look at that green. It's so neutral, but I'm still living. Look at that green. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is a beautiful cool tone over the crease color. This shade right here, I wish there was like, I never say this, I wish there was at least one more shimmer in here. There's only one shimmer in here, which I love a ton of mattes, don't get me wrong. I usually am like living for more mattes. I just wish there was 2 shimmers in this palette instead of 1. But this dream color is so pretty. This is so cute. I don't know if I'd use it, but I really like it. Okay, so this is the palette. So let's go over everything that we got in the box. I feel like it's a very fast unboxing. I didn't mean it to be. Oh well, so this is the Beauty Rust palette. It's very cute. I'm super into this one. Which again, is like that's like a burnt theme for this palette, or for this box. It's like burnt. We have a Suede liquid lipstick, which looks like this swatched out, which dried down really unique. A lot less yellow than I thought it would. We have a brick red eyeshadow, which I probably won't use because every time I get singles, I never really use them. We have some really natural CR15 eyelashes. We have a vampy red liquid lipstick. It's a satin formula. And we have a red highlighter, which is just so confusing to me. I don't understand why we have a red highlighter in here. It's a very weird highlighter color. I'm pretty sure they're not selling that many of that. I'm sorry. And then we also have a little lash applying tool. So that is everything in the mystery box. Overall, I do definitely think it's worth a $35 value. I think just from the palette and the liquid lipstick alone, those are the things I will probably reach for, and the lash applicator. So that's pretty good value for me because I think the palette's really cute and I love the liquid lipstick formulas for them. They're usually $18 each anyways. So I think it's a good value for $35, or I guess $40 because I paid for shipping too. The other things in here I probably wouldn't get me used out of the highlighter, the loose eyeshadow, or the lashes. But overall, I'm not disappointed. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think of this box in the comment section down below. Do you think it was worth the purchase? There are still more on their website too if you want to check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Also, I'm going to mention this real quick because I've been meaning to mention it for like a week now, but I've been trying to be cool. Shane Dawson follows me on Instagram. There's no way to be cool about that. I've been trying to keep it to myself. I've been waiting over a week just to like process and be like, oh yeah, don't freak out, don't make a big deal out about it. But just Shane Dawson follows me on Instagram. So you might as well too, right? It's at Porcelain Cosmetics. Bye guys.